Hello, my friends. Welcome to English with Daily Life.
Hello, everyone. This podcast is for English beginners.
Hi, Leo. How are you today?
I am good, Emily. I'm a little tired, but happy.
Why are you tired?
I woke up very early this morning.
Oh, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? That is very early.
Yes, I like the morning. It is quiet.
I understand. I wake up at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. is a nice time. What is the first thing you do?
Did you eat breakfast at home today?
Yes, I ate breakfast at home and I had bread and a cup of tea.
That is a simple and nice breakfast for a busy day.
Yes, it gives me enough energy to do my work and study.
After breakfast, what did you do next in your day?
After breakfast, I got ready and went out of my house calmly.
Did you go to work or did you study today?
Today, I studied English at home and practiced speaking slowly.
That is great because practice every day helps a lot.
Yes, even a little practice every day is very helpful.
What did you study in your English lesson today?
I studied how to talk about my daily life in simple English.
That is perfect because today we are talking about our day.
Yes, it feels nice when the lesson matches the real-life topic.
Did you take a break during your study time?
Yes, I took a short break and drank some water quietly.
Breaks are important for the body and the mind.
I agree, because breaks help me feel fresh again.
What did you do in the afternoon today?
In the afternoon, I helped my family and did small things at home.
Helping family is a very good habit.
Yes, it makes me feel useful and happy inside.
Did you eat lunch at home or outside today?
I ate lunch at home with my family and we talked together.
That sounds warm and peaceful.
Yes, eating together makes the day feel special.
After lunch, how did you feel?
After lunch, I felt a little tired, but still comfortable.
What do you usually do when you feel tired?
I sit down, relax my body, and take a deep breath slowly.
That is a healthy way to relax during the day.
Yes, it helps me feel calm and ready again.
Did you go outside in the evening today?
Yes, I went outside and walked for a short time.
Walking in the evening is very good for the body.
I think so too, because fresh air feels nice.
What did you do after you came back home?
After I came home, I washed my hands and rested for a while.
Did you practice English again in the evening?
Yes, I listened to simple English and repeated the sentences.
That is a very good learning method.
Thank you. I try to learn a little every day.
What did you eat for dinner today?
For dinner, I ate rice and vegetables with my family.
That sounds healthy and tasty.
Yes, it was simple but very good.
How do you feel at the end of the day?
At the end of the day, I feel thankful and relaxed.
That is a nice feeling to have before sleeping.
Yes, it helps me sleep well at night.
Do you like talking about your day in English?
Yes, I like it because it helps me use real English.
Talking about daily life is very useful for beginners.
I agree, because we can use the same sentences every day.
What is your favorite part of the day, Leo?
My favorite part of the day is the evening time,
Why do you like the evening time so much?
because the day is quiet and I can relax and think.
That is very understandable and peaceful.
Yes, I feel calm and happy in the evening.
Do you plan your next day before sleeping?
Yes, I think about tomorrow and what I want to do.
Planning is a good habit for learning and life.
Yes, it helps me feel ready and confident.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed early to rest my body.
Sleeping well is very important for health.
I agree, because good sleep gives good energy.
Leo, thank you for sharing your day with us.
Thank you, Emily. I enjoyed talking with you.
Dear listeners, you can now try talking about your day.
You can start with simple sentences like we did today.
You can say what you do in the morning and afternoon.
And you can talk about how you feel during the day.
Do not worry about mistakes when you speak English.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning and growing.
Practice speaking slowly and clearly every day.
Even 5 minutes a day can help you improve.
We're happy to practice English with you.
Thank you for listening